That is epic. Oh, Nightmare Shark. That's pretty cool. 3 promos. Let's start. Oh, okay. I'll do like a random selection thing. 1 and 2 will be this. 3 and 4 will be this. 5 and 6 will be this. It's a 5. Okay. Nice, super rare. Oh, cool. Bubble Bow. Color of the Soul. And Tornado the Reverse Wind. Very nice so far. Okay. Let's go. 1, 2, and 3 will be for this. It's a 5 again. So, next pack, this. Okay. Drill Dark, very nice. Abyss Extras. Ooh, Escape from the Dark Dimension. Destiny Signal. Abyss Actor Leading Lady. Very nice. Charlie, don't get in the way. As long as you don't get in the way, it doesn't matter. What? I know it's the newer type that you said. Let's see. Stop interrupting me in the middle of the video, man. Smiger, Amazing Pendulum, Paleozoic, Crystal Emitrix.
What at?
Over here.
Calling him?
Yes.
Comes out of there.